Cephalon AI Honest Review. So, it's time for some real talk about Cephalon AI, a GPU cloud service claiming to give you high performance AI compute on demand. On paper, it sounds like the dream. Rent a 4090 class GPU from your browser without the hassle of hardware. But how does it hold up under pressure? So, let's start with the positives. Cephalon advertises distributed GPU access, no local setup, and one-click deployment of AI models, which is huge for creators and developers who don't want to build their own rigs. Their site suggests seamless use of AI tools like Stable Diffusion, Comfy UI, and others, enabling users to run heavy workflows from their cloud. Their domain score also registers as safe on Scam Advisor, giving some legitimacy to their operations. But here's where get things shaky. In user forums and experience, people report variable performance, cold start latency, and throttling. One user noticed that executing a model on a similar service showed unpredictable durations depending on server allocation and GPU availability. Others mentioned that cheaper tiers sometimes lag severely, and especially under load or during peak hours. The issue is that cloud GPU is not just hardware, it's scheduling, bandwidth, and virtualization overhead with concurrency. Also, a web walkthrough video of Comfy UI on Cephalon shows that it's running, but with obvious signs of buffering or sluggishness during complex image generation. That suggests that while Cephalon is functional, it's not flawless. And at scales or under stress, you might hit latency or throttling limits. So, the pros of this platform is that it's easy to set up and it has access to powerful GPUs without buying the hardware. Good for testing, prototyping, or light to medium AI workloads. Cloud based and no local maintenance. The cons is that the performance is inconsistent, possible throttling under heavy load, cold start or resource allocation delays. For mission critical or production AI tasks, you will want to guarantee or better SLAS. So for final verdict, Cephalon is a promising GPU cloud option for creatives, side projects, or testing, but don't expect flawless, high throughput performance all the time. For serious production workloads, you might still prefer dedicated hardware or premium cloud GPU services with strong SLAs. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.